Welcome to my home, and I'm here with Frank Milea from Quality Flooring. And yeah, when you start a custom home, especially as a designer, when it's your own home, it can be very challenging because we see and touch everything, and we like a lot of different things. But it always starts with the hardwood floors, if you ask me. And so the color of the flooring, the width of the flooring, and the type of flooring is most important. So of course I went to Quality Flooring, sat down with Frank, and I said, Frank, you know what I want? And sure enough, in about 5 minutes, we found this beautiful white oak floor, which is throughout the entire home with the exception of the bathrooms. And from there, I knew I wanted this vaulted ceiling with these incredible washed beams. And I wanted this grand, but yet approachable, rustic, organic fireplace, which is a brick veneer, believe it or not, that I love, that we always get through Frank and his crew. They do an amazing job with this because it looks like it's been here for like 100 years, which I absolutely love. Okay, so here we are in my primary bathroom. I knew in my mind what I wanted, and I knew how challenging it would be to get here. But with Nia on your team, he is a master tile artisan. You know, this Thassos marble and this little tiny Capiz mosaic, this is not an easy plan to figure out mathematically how to do, and I feel like your team nailed it.
This definitely takes a certain type of guy with the stone and the thickness of the stone versus this here, the mosaic and the intricate inlay. So it definitely takes a certain type of guy to get this done and done right.
You know, I wanted the primary shower to be a showpiece and to work beautifully with that Capiz shell. I love how it turned out. You know, and again, your team. Look at this, you guys. That is a master-minded tile installer. Like, I am so impressed with him. I have this vision in my head and fell in love with this Lunada Bay tile that I was just kind of obsessed with the coloring because I wanted it to flow throughout the house. And I think you guys nailed it.
It looks great.
So good. Well, thank you.
Everything together is just perfect. The countertop, the sink, the lights, tile, and the mirror. Rustic Place did a great job.
Welcome to my mudroom. If you know Nesting Place and you know Quality Flooring, you know that we absolutely are obsessed with this brick floor. It is a brick veneer, and we use it all the time. And I absolutely love it in the herringbone pattern with this brick soldier border that feels old world. You make our job easy. Our clients love you. Your team is incredible. All the builders that we work with that now also use you. It's just such a good fit, and we feel very blessed. And I mean that with all my
I appreciate
heart.
that.
I really
appreciate that.
So.
And we love working with you and your team.
Thank you.
Yeah.